Hi, I am Aditya and I'm here to talk about our marketing strategy for Ramalingam Foods to sell their products outside India. So the primary problem is that people are buying Ramalingam Foods products and selling it in foreign markets at a higher margin, which is of concern to the company, which now wants to expand its market to one new region outside India. Our suggested market is United Kingdom, and it has been chosen for the following reasons. There exists a huge market potential in United Kingdom for our products because of the growing market for packaged foods. There's a huge population of Indians in United Kingdom, and United Kingdom also ranks in the countries with highest working hours, which leaves people with less time to prepare their food. UK ranks world number 8 in ease of doing business, which is of prime importance for our company. Our products also align with Hofstede's cultural dimensions for United Kingdom, focusing on individualism and indulgence. Our approach to implementing our strategy in United Kingdom will be in a phased manner. First, we will apply for registered trademark for our brand logo. At the same time, we will provide non-disclosure agreements to protect our trade secrets. We will simultaneously start hiring people for the exports team and e-commerce sales team in United Kingdom. The first step then will be to launch a pivot program. Here we will test our products on e-commerce platforms and accumulate customer feedback and the reception of our products in these markets. The sales medium will be strictly limited to e-commerce, which eliminates the cost of operations and upfront costs. After 3 months of testing, we will then launch our products in specific geographic regions in United Kingdom. We will then partner with retail stores and mom and pop stores to expand our market. To calculate the financials, our finance team has worked on a cost plus model, which involves adding all costs to the price. We invest heavily in marketing for the first year, about 12 crores. We do not expect profits in the second year with a deficit of about 10 crores. From the second year, we expect to start making profits. For our marketing, we agree that we are living in a digital era, hence we should embrace the power of digital. Our, our marketing campaigns will include lot on digital medium and emphasize on influencer marketing. This is of prime importance because our objective is to tap into the Indian communities in the United Kingdom and restaurants that are there in this country, which is absolutely essential for our success. This is our strategy that we would like Ramalingam Foods to implement so that UK can experience authentic Indian taste. Thank you.